Start the day at Big Ben, hear the chime.
Start the day at Big Ben, hear the chime. Take a stroll to Buckingham, it's royal time. Take two, let's ride the line. Camden Town to Charing Cross, all so fine. Piccadilly Circus, lights so right. Covent Garden day or night. Notting Hill with colours so bold. Portobello Market, treasures untold. Over the Thames we climb and sway. Millennium Bridge leading the way. Waterloo to Westminster, Shakespeare's play. London's calling, come what may. London town, let's dance around the famous spots to the hidden grounds. Cross the bridges, feel the beat. Tower Bridge track, Leaf Street 12, art so wild. Kew Gardens, nature's child. Hammersmith Bridge, painted blue. Albert Bridge, a fairy tale scene. Vauxhall Bridge with sculpture scene. London's magic, like a dream. London town, let's dance around the famous spots to the hidden grounds. Cross the bridges, feel the beat. Tower Bridge to the riverside so sweet.